My name is Johnny Riley, and I'm the CEO of Bridging the Gaps of Arkansas. Well, at Bridging the Gaps of Arkansas, we serve the southern part of Arkansas and also the western part of Arkansas as a part of our relationship with the state of Arkansas. Vive18 was a perfect program to really empower young people to move to the next level in leadership. And I was just so thankful that you were able to engage them the entire time, especially during the summer, which is so challenging for young people. They're used to sleeping late, but these young people were here at 9 o'clock ready to do the work and then stayed engaged the entire day. Well, what I like about Vive18 is specifically that it's able to engage the young people, give them information, but have it in a game type of way, more so than just the talking head, giving them data, maybe filling out 2 or 3 pieces of paper, but it's active learning is very, very important. Well, the key thing that I hope that happens is, one, that we develop many more youth coalitions and also young people who are willing to be engaged in making a difference in their own life and also within the community as well. I think all of those people, from the political people to those individuals who are in the faith community, to parents, and also, of course, the young people, really need to hear this message from Vive18. I'll say, one, if you do not have a personal experience with you, find out how close they are to you and go attend the session and be engaged in the process to see specifically how the young people's lives have changed there. And I've seen some of the young people who were here in particular that sometimes are reserved, but that were really outspoken during this particular time. So your staff was able to actually engage them at a point where they're able to live, young people, when they're out in the park, are there in the playground, they're playing and they're engaging with everybody, and I saw that here. Just want to say, remember, Jake is from Louisiana. His heritage is from Louisiana, and I was just so excited that he was able to come in, and the whole team were able to come in and actually be in sync when it comes to delivering the message and really talking about, the drug misuse issues that we face in our country, and made that learning very, very interactive. And then, of course, talking about mental health, which is one of the other leading issues that we're facing in our community today.